afternoon. It's Sunday, just after 12 p.m. And that means it's a market day, so probably that's the reason why the bars aren't that busy yet. Gonna head towards the market, and I want to also check out Jokers. It's been 2 weeks since it has been announced they're reopening, or at least someone else taking over. I want to see how that location is doing, maybe some news over there. Also, the new bar that is going to be owned by the Brit station and the Tipsy Jockey. Want to check out that progress on the Avenida Filipinas. Yeah, the bars are really quiet. A bit further down we have Uncle Ped and the Riviera Bar. Those ones are usually very busy. Rosamar Hotel. Here at the Riviera Bar, usually it's full on in the sun over there. Today they have put up covers, parasols and everything to make sure people are a bit more protected from the heat we have here in Benidorm. Well, over here there's still plenty of space left. On the opposite at Uncle Ped, that is where it is full already. And all those people we see on the right side are coming back from the market or heading towards there. It takes until around 2 p.m. then it ends, from 9 until 2 on Wednesdays and Sundays. So as I said, Jokers will be reopening. 2 weeks ago, the owners of the Red Corner announced that they're taking over the venue where Jokers used to be in. And it would be reopening soon. They're looking for staff and everything, so we're gonna have a look at Jokers. Or they have made already some progress. Maybe something is visible, maybe they're only working inside for now. Maybe nothing has happened. Who knows? Helios Hotel there. We'll pass that, I will leave in about 2 minutes, and then on the front side so we can see how busy the pool is today. So right there at Dolce Vita, they have real performers inside here. A street artist has made its way in. Seems like someone's birthday there. Really busy at these bars. And it is quite windy today, that's a good thing. It's around 27 degrees. Really warm, hardly any clouds on the sky as you can see. So on the right side we have the market. I'm not gonna go there today. I'm more curious about Jokers. When the market is on Wednesdays as well, you might do it then. It's a little bit dusty here. That is with all the dust coming from back there. They're working on the road. And there are some large fields with lots of sand where they're working at, so that could be the reason why. Pueblo Hotel. Some people chilling on the balconies. You can see a cleaner at work up there. Really beautiful weather. And by the way, if you enjoy these videos, then please do give them a like. It really helps in promoting on YouTube, and I appreciate that. Want to see more, then do subscribe to the channel if you aren't yet. Next up, Helios Hotel, yeah. Their outside bar is still closed. Oh, it's only open in the evening hours now. 6:30 until 11. Else it's also way too hot over here. The pool, few people in. And quite a lot of sunbathing.
Are you on Instagram?
On YouTube? Yeah.
What are you called?
Benidorm channel.
Oh, I've been watching it all week. Okay.
Having a good time?
Yeah?
Yeah? Some lovely people up there with also follow me apparently on YouTube. So there we have a Jokers. I'm curious to see what is happening down there. Any progress, maybe not. We'll see. Apparently on the first look, nothing unfortunate yet. Well, maybe they are at work already on the inside, who knows? We can't see that, of course, outside, just a little bit of cleaning. Put some tables and chairs there, call it done. At least they can open then. But let's check out the bar at the Avenida Mediterraneo, at the end of the Avenida Filipinas. The new one from the Brit station and the Tipsy Jockey. Bit of the show program for Philippines 10. So the bar we see on the opposite side of the road, the Brit station, their owner is opening a new one on the other end of the street. Let's head down there to have a look. And they also own the Tipsy Jockey, two new bars that are all both doing very well here in Benidorm. So up over here, literally on the other side of the street, that is where the new bar is coming. We don't know yet what theme or anything. Only thing we can see that a lot has been smashed out for the new bar. Used to be a shoe shop in there. That one has left. And now a new bar will come in there. And yeah, I know what many of you are saying, a new bar, but at least it's not a new 24/7 Pakistani supermarket or a kebabish place. Let's head on towards the beach and have a look. Or it is some proper beach weather with the wind today. Tiki Beach. This is their new area. They have done a grass carpet on the floor, really like that. Wonder how they keep it clean, but the idea is really nice. Really busy. What a crowd already. Oh, is it any beach weather today? Seems like people aren't disturbed by the wind. In fact, it's lovely out here. It is hot, it is very warm. Breeze keeps it a little bit manageable. They do have the green flag out, well, it is quite windy. Well, bars down here, like King Coco, are much busier than the ones on the strip today. The ones near the market were really busy, and then the ones on the beach. Maybe people head on towards those bars later on. But I also think it's much nicer to enjoy your drinks down here at the beach than in the strip during this time of year. Stars bar is already open, but they're waiting for guests. Maybe it is just a theme. I think it fits better at the strip, that bar. Cocktail sellers on the way towards the beach. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely a much better weather than it was a few days ago. Want to see how that was? Check it right up here.